Good evening. Welcome back to my channel. In Nigeria, there are three major ethnic groups: the Igbos, the Hausas, the Yorubas, and we have other like sub-ethnic groups. But among the three ethnic groups that we have in Nigeria, the Igbos are the only ethnic group that will leave their own states and migrate to other people's states to develop other people's states, just like the Lagos of today. About 50% of what you have in Lagos today belongs to the Igbos. Just like Abuja, let me give it 40 to 50% of what you have, development you are seeing in Abuja today, are as a result of Igbos' contribution. Likewise, Port Harcourt, Kano, and other major states in the country. But why are these people hated? Why do Nigerians hate the Igbos? There is a video I want to show you guys. I will use that video to introduce the topic of this evening. Just watch this video.
What I've been saying in Yoruba is that the planned nationwide protest is a strategy, new strategy by the Igbos to destabilize or truncate the democratic governance in this country, simply to vent their spleen on Yoruba nation. But they are not happy as they lost the 2023 presidential elections. They are not happy. And those who are canvassing for this insurrection, the felons, they are felons canvassing for this insurrection, are either Labour Party members or IPOB, the Igbo stock in that party. Why? So I want to appeal to the youth and the elders, patriotic citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, to shun that protest. The protest is aimed at truncating the democratic process, and we should not allow that. Let us remember what happened in Kenya, what happened in Sudan, what happened in Libya, what happened in Syria. Since the internal crisis broken out, things have never been the same in those countries. Why should we have, untold hardship on ourselves by some miscreant elements, those who want to destabilize this country? Even if you want to destabilize the country, it is not the time that Yoruba is in charge. It will not happen. It will not happen by the grace of God. So those who are planning this devilish protest should please avoid coming to any Yoruba state. Take your protest to Abuja or your...
Unbelievable. Guys, did you hear him? Did you hear what is coming out from the mouth of an elder? It's just that I don't want to profile him. I don't want to label him. But I am bitter. I am not happy when I saw this video. When this protest of Tinubu hunger protest started, recall, the Igbos never joined that protest. In fact, the Igbos opened their shops. They say that they are not going to protest against Tinubu. So I am so amazed when I saw people coming out to call names at Igbos, to say that Igbos were the one supporting, abetting the forthcoming protest in Nigeria, whereas the Igbos were busy going about their work. Look at this elder, this old man, calling Igbos name, saying that the Igbos are the one supporting the August 1st protest in Nigeria, whereas Igbo elders, including this Iwanyan that just gave to a ghost, all of them have come out to say that they are not in support of the forthcoming protest in Nigeria. Why? Why are you profiling the Igbos? Why are you labeling the Igbos? This is one of the major causes of the Civil War. Go back to the history. You see that these are the things that tributed to that Civil War, and it has started again. I don't know why in this country we don't want to learn our lessons at all. Something that brought division, that brought war, the Civil War in the past, I think about 50 years ago or more than 50 years ago, we haven't learned our lesson. Just look at what happened the other day. I think that was in Sokoto, when Deborah Samuel, I think she is from Adamawa, and According to them, they said she blasphemed against Muhammad. The next thing we saw is that they killed the young lady. It never ended there. After killing Deborah Samuel, that is from the northern part of Nigeria, they went to burn Igbos people's shop in Sokoto. What have the Igbos have to do with Deborah Samuel? We are the Igbos the one that blasphemed against Muhammad. Why are they always attacking the Igbos in this country? Why? Why? Look at just last year. According to them, Peter Obi never won the presidency. They gave it to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But you saw what happened in Lagos after that election. Properties belonging to the Igbos were being destroyed. Properties belonging to the Igbos were being destroyed in Lagos. You say that Peter Obi did not win, that Bola Ahmed Tinubu won. Yet, you keep on destroying properties belonging to the Igbos. Why? Why? Something that created division, something that created war, you still want to allow it to continue. We know all about Sunday Igboho. Yes, you guys know about Sunday Igboho. Sunday Igboho was agitating for a Yoruba nation, but today he's out. Nobody castigated Sunday Igboho, including the fake man of God that say he's a prophet. Nobody castigated, nobody said anything. We even saw Sunday Igboho carrying gun. But today, Sunday Igboho is a free man. Where is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in there. You saw so many people saying so many negative things about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, including this elder, including this old man, saying it is IPOB, it is Biafra, it is the Igbos, it is Peter Obi and his people, that they are wanting to truncate Tinubu's administration. Why? Why are you guys profiling the Igbos? Why are you guys labeling the Igbos? That was why I brought that video. When people were protesting, Igbos were saying, Tinubu, you are our choice. They were busy drinking, saying that they are not going to join the protest. So why are we profiling the Igbos? Why are we labeling the Igbos? You don't want the Igbos to go. You don't want them to stay. What do you guys want from these Igbos? What are the sins of the Igbos? Why do Nigerians hate the Igbos in this country? I needed an answer to this. This is a question to everybody in this country. Why do we hate the Igbos? And what is the sins of the Igbos?